Daddy made me a fire. How sweet. First little moto camping trip.
The real star of the show.
Got our tent set up. Fire. What more could you need?
I love you.
I love you. Mm.
When you're in the water.
Are you gonna show us how to do it?
Out here in the outback.
Wow. Good
Bon
soup.
appetit. Good soup.
And now it's dark. Second dinner.
Second din.
What are you making now?
Fuck. A mess. This is what's on the menu. Chicken Alfredo. In a bag, but it's fire. I told Maddie it's like bringing the kitchen to the campfire.
That's good.
I'm Maddie and this is Caden. This is Maddie and Caden's food reviews. Today's edition, chicken Alfredo pasta in a bag. Oh yeah, here, let's get the macros. What are we running?
Let's see them.
830 calories for a full pouch. Sodium 1000. Not even that bad, honestly. Shit. 48 grams of protein. Thoughts?
For me, it's a little much. For you, it's perfect.
I thought it was pretty great. 3.8 out of 5 for sure. Great texture.
We were asking you
Pretty
about
creamy.
macros, so I had to answer weird. You didn't get to let me have my good rating.
Go ahead, what else would you? Sorry. What else would you have?
3 out of 5. I think it was pretty yummy, but is I.
Is I.
Yeah.
Is I.
Yeah.
You're so cute. Is I. Yeah, I thought it was pretty alright. Not much else to say about it. Pretty fire. Would buy again. Would you buy it again?
I would buy again.
Alright, would buy again. We walking.
It's a wee bit spooky out here. Not cool.
Sorry. We're taking our trash and throwing it away like responsible adults. Or not throwing it away, but stashing it away from camp. Perfect. That ain't going anywhere.
Alrighty. Hopefully we have some banana bread to eat in the morning.
Shit, I hope so. You got a pee-pee?
Yes.
Where are you gonna go? I'll follow you, I'll protect you. Go ahead. I'll look the other way. Gotta be respectful of the lady when she's peeing in the woods. The standpoint. We armed and dangerous. Gotta keep my head on a swivel. Back on an adventure we go. Back on an adventure we go. Oh, what's this? An uninhabited campground? Score.
Score.
Okay. Good night.